Everybody, this is Tarang here from the Optamark digital team. We're going to run in the next 20, 30 seconds and just show you what our process is to quickly sniff out how an actual website is doing online. James from our team is going to quickly just share what exactly he's done to prepare for today's webinar to show you guys how exactly digital marketing services can be applicable for your business. So James, if you don't mind, could you share exactly what it is you've done in this case, for example, for this webinar today, to be able to figure out how these companies are doing online?
Yeah, sure. So here is a SEMrush, right? Now we want to see how the domain actually looks like, right? How domain is working. So I have already copied the link. So here is the website. It's a remarketprinting.com. Now I search with the domain overview option, right? So here is the search option, right? So result is coming on. Yeah. So here is the overall result for this particular website, right? And how it's look like. They have authority score of 3, organic search traffic, they have only 40, backlinks, they have only 11. They don't have any paid marketing right now, right? They have 0. So this is the all over domain overview for a particular website. So this is how it looks, right? So now suppose we want to generate the report for this particular domain. So what we will do, we will go here. You can see the option PDF, right? So here's a PDF. We'll click here. We don't want to send the report by email. We don't want to schedule this report. So what we do, I have generated this brand report already. So it looks like this. So this is a brand, this report, but suppose we want to create some customization in this particular report. So we'll create custom PDF report for the particular domain. So once we click on that button, this screen will be open, right? So here is our logo. You can edit and update or delete this logo. You can change this text also, right? You can add any text here, any images also, any name here, right? So this is the whole domain custom report, you can say, right? You can just move this thing up, right? So it's look like this. You can move this thing up. You can adjust as per the client's requirement and the client's pain points, right? So these are the basically things. This client don't have that much of data, so we'll get this kind of result, right? So here is the actual audit report you can generate by doing the custom report option, right? So this is whole report, right? So suppose we don't want to showcase our client these things, you can delete these things, right? You can delete these things. You don't want to see how the display market advertising results. So we just delete that data, right? So this is how the report will be generated. Now, suppose we want to download this report. We'll click here, generate PDF report, right? And we don't want to email this report. We don't want to schedule this report. We just want to generate. So we'll click here.
Great. So now the next step I would assume in this, James, is you're going to take this report and the report will be given back to either the independent reseller, the franchise owner, and they're going to use this report as a talking tool to explain to that individual website owner what they're doing, how they're doing, where they're at. And that metric we can discuss on our next session. But this will at least be able to provide what we would call at Optamark Digital, the general report card of how it is you're doing and where there's opportunity for you to be able to further accelerate your representation online through the use of SEO.